Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Recipes from the Wheelchair. Today's recipe is incredibly easy to make. It's absolutely delicious and it tastes awesome. During the hot summer days, this is what you need to cool off. Yes, today's recipe is homemade ice cream, but it's not ice cream, it's the traditional Pakistani kulfi. And mine today, what I'm making is almond kulfi. Kulfi that is made in Pakistan, it's usually served on a stick. You pour the mixture, the milk mixture into the mold, and then you stick in the stick. And when you eat it, it's absolutely yummy. Although this recipe for the kulfi is very easy to make and it requires very little prep time, it's 8 hours to set before you can have it. So it requires a lot of patience to make it. And if you know someone in your house who has no patience and is desperate to eat this kulfi, don't tell them you're making it. Just surprise them. All you have to do is mix your ingredients together, the milk, the condensed milk, the whipping cream, fresh breadcrumbs, as required nuts, mix them together, and for extra flavor you can add rose water or kevra or even cardamom powder. Mix it all together, pour it into your molds and freeze. So make this kulfi, impress your friends and your family, and they will love you. So let's go make the kulfi.